Hello, hello. It's good to see you. You're welcome to my hiding place. Today, we're going to be learning, we're going to be doing something a bit different. We are going to be learning. So, in this video, we are going to be learning how to make our very own face mask. I'm so excited. Let's go to the table. So, hello everyone. It's good to see you once again. Like I said earlier, we're going to be doing something fun today. Well, at least for our children. Anyway, so let's get started. First, you're going to be needing some fabrics. Like I said, a breathable fabrics. You can use any color you like. All right. This is a cotton fabric, so it's very breathable. Measuring tape. Sorry, a ruler. Okay. A scissors. Elastic. These ones. Or you can use some of these elastics if you don't have those other ones. You can use this too. I use them and they're very nice. It's just that they're not completely reliable like the others. We're going to be needing some thread, and of course a needle, chalk to measure. It's a choice if you like, and of course you can use this one. Okay, if you like, you can use this, or you can even use your hand. You just measure from here up to somewhere here. This should do. From your nose, no, this tip should cover your nose, and up to this place that will cover the bottom of your chin, the down part of your chin. So let's get started. There we go. So now we spread the fabric. Let me just one. Okay. Should use this or this. Now when you measure, you're going to get 25 centimeters. Okay, 25 centimeters for an adult. 25 centimeters for an adult. Then for kids, it's going to be a bit lesser than that. All right, so we draw. Get your chalk, or it's either you put it like this or like this. It's all the same. All right, it's all the same thing. So you're going to get the same result. All right, you can turn it like this or you can turn it like this. It's the same result you're still going to get. So yes, and then you cut. And now you have just one single piece. So you cut your own. Okay. Now the next step is this. We fold into two halves. Fold your own. We fold into two. and we fold into again 2 equal halves. And then we cut. Let me show you how. And yes, in case you don't have money for a mask, this is a very good idea. So you cut. Okay, see me. Cut first, and then see. Then you cut this place. And this part.
Wait. She cut first this side.
Yes.
She cut the inside of
Yes.
this two parts.
Okay, and then now we're gonna cut this one by one. Wait, there we go. Let it be equal. Okay. Very good. And the other one. Good job. Good job. So now you have one. Alright, let's go. Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Go ahead. And you cut. It's okay. Good job. And now yes, this one. So you got the first part. Yes, good.
Now let me see.
Good.
There you are.
One. And another one. So there. Easy. Now the next thing is you're going to separate them like this. How? You're going to turn this like this, and then we're going to turn them against each other like this. You know, you turn them inside out like this, so that you can sew it round and join it together.
Inside out.
Exactly. Yes, the
So
other one too. Good. So now we are going to sew the pink.
Me, blue. Lucky you have
Here you go.
kinds of
Pink.
blue for these. Pink for me.
Aqua green actually.
Oh.
Now we need our needle and thread. Okay. And what do? We will sew
Only this curvy part, right?
only here. That's all.
Got it.
Okay.
Way to sew.
I think. Okay, let's get to work. So now this is the next stage.
Yes, yes.
All right, stretch it out properly.
It is.
So now you would turn one inside out like this.
Wow.
Ready?
Oh man, what is this? It's cool.
And then the other one you place on top. Okay? Like so.
Wow, I never
Like
thought
this.
I would do it that way.
Like
Whoa.
this. And then, in other words, both sides will be like this now. Yes? So the next thing we're going to do. Oh, okay, let me. Do you understand it? No, one side will be, yes, one side will be the right side, yes. And then the other side will be the back. It's okay, no problem. You fixed it wrongly, but no problem. So you just have to go like this. It's okay, sweetie. It's all stylish fashion.
Anyway, it's just this is not fashion, mommy. It's protection.
Yes, you should have thought about that when you were playing.
It's not funny.
Well, it is now. Here. So we're going to sew like this, mirror. All the way here and stop. We'll leave some space here so that we can use it to turn it out.
Wait, you're
There you
going
go.
a bit fast.
Come, let me show you.
But then I'll cut the rest of the part that is here.
We've got these two like this. Yes?
So I mean, cutting this out.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so you turn one inside out. Like this. Hold it. and just put this other one
Do you know that
on
it's that
top.
good at sewing? It's easy for you.
Easy peasy, sweetie.
Wow. And then we
for you
sew.
too.
You're a master.
There.
The master.
So
The master.
you are going to sew from here. Dun 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 dun. Continue. Dun 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 dun. And then you stop somewhere here. Leave a small hole here so that we can use it to turn it inside out again. Okay. There you go. Let's get to work. Let's pick our needles now.
Carrying some water. Whoa. Even I must have put it on my closet. Or maybe it wasn't. No. It was only his clothes. I'm going to the garage.
Stop here. It's the turn on. Okay. All right. So let's go.
Refreshing water. And hydrated. One. Of course, the water is hydrated. No. It never stops. Just don't look down. Ouch. Please move the fucking room. The old-fashioned way.
Yes, indeed. That's true.
Only someone is being lazy and tired.
It's time to add this. All right, so you can measure 12 inches or 30 centimeters. It depends on what you like. You know, if it depends on what you like, what will be convenient for you. And if it's for a teenager or a kid, well, that should be it should be shorter. All right, so let's see what we have.
I'm going to move it.
So we can sew 1.5 inches or 2 meters or 2.5 meters.
Thank you.
So just fold it in.
Hold it in. And then you can sew.
So you sew this part so that you make sure you leave room to put your thread through, to put your elastic through. Okay. Please be quiet. Thank you. Remain with the chair.
There.
I'm almost done now. There.
Mommy.
We're finished.
Finished.
Yes, sweetie, I'm coming. Very
Remember,
good. Here's the
grind
scissors.
secure it.
Put it here. Thank you. So now we put our
For me.
elastic through.
Elastic through?
There, like this. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Yes. Okay. Just tie it together here at the tip. Here we go. So now, if you like, which I think is even good, you can just pull this right inside to make this strand neat. Okay, you can hide this end part here in the inside of this hole. Good. There we go. We've got our mask. So there we go. Our mask is made. Done. All done. Let's do the mask dance. And now it's time to put it on. Time to wear our mask.
Now we're going to make the test so we can see.
There you go. Now it's time to test it. Go ahead. Go.
It's good.